Welcome to EduAIverse, where we simplify AI for everyone. Today's topic is Generative AI. Generative AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that can create content like text, images, music, or even videos. For example, tools like ChatGPT generate human-like text. DALL.E and Midjourney can generate stunning images from just a few words. There are AI tools that compose music, write poetry, or even make short films. But how does it work? Generative AI is trained on huge datasets, learning patterns and styles from millions of examples. Once trained, it uses those patterns to generate new, original content. This technology is transforming fields like art, writing, advertising, education, and even game development. However, with great power comes responsibility. There are concerns about fake content and AI misuse. So, it's important to use generative AI wisely and ethically. Stay with EduAIverse to keep learning new and exciting AI topics made easy. Like, share, and subscribe, and be part of the AI-powered creative revolution.